Good morning, folks, and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen, and today is Throwback Thursday. Have you ever wondered what Utah looked like when the Cedar Mountain Formation was being formed? Well, why don't we take a step back in time, 140 to 100 million years ago-ish, somewhere in there. That's our early Cretaceous. Our Cedar Mountain is nestled within that. All right. So here we are in our early Cretaceous on our map. We're closer to the equator right now. So things are a bit warmer than we're typically used to in, well, warmer. Anyway, it's warm in Utah already, but not all year round. This would be more constant and consistent. Anyway, you'll notice we've got the start of our Western Interior Seaway. This is our Maori Sea. So during the early Cretaceous, the Maori Sea was starting to inundate or come upon the continent. In the previous period, the Jurassic period, the Sundance Sea had retreated back into Canada by the late Jurassic, so things had dried out significantly, and then the sea came back as the Cretaceous started. Over here, we have our newly formed Sevier Mountains in the western part of Utah, and we have lots of rivers, as you can see, emptying out of those mountains and towards our Maori Sea through this broad, low-lying floodplain area. The area I have circled is where we find outcrops of the Cedar Mountain Formation. Now, the Cedar Mountain Formation covers roughly 50 million years, and it shows some pretty intense climate change through that 50 million years as well. So it started out fairly arid to semi-arid, and then gradually it became much more wet and humid, which was more what we see in our late Cretaceous. So we're seeing that change from arid, semi-arid to humid. So subtropical to tropical, essentially. And a lot of that was heavily influenced by the Maori Sea's transgression onto the continent. The ocean has a huge impact on climate. So that's kind of just a small overview of what it was like during the Cedar Mountain Formation deposition in Utah and a little bit of Colorado. So hope you enjoyed that, and I will fossilise you later.